This is Asia Fun Facts, and I'm here to share the finest animal factoids all about incredible Asian animals. This time, it's the glorious proboscis monkey. This is a proboscis monkey, and boy are they spectacular. Let's address the elephant in the room first up. Yup, they do have incredibly large noses, but I'll explain to you later why we think they have such a splendid schnoz. Nature always has a reason for everything. They are amongst the largest monkeys living in Asia. They're concentrated in Borneo with populations in Brunei, Indonesia and Malaysia. While they're most often found on the coast, they inhabit tropical forests and can be adaptable as long as they're nearby a slow-moving source of water, as this gives them access to minerals that they need for a healthy diet. What do they eat? Once you see past the nose, you may well notice the large bellies of the proboscis monkey. Again, nature has made it this way for a reason. Their bellies hold a large stomach with 4 chambers, specially adapted to digest a diet rich in plants, which can be tough to break down. 90% of their diet is fruit and leaves, with the last 10% being made up of bark, insects and flowers. And some have even been spotted eating crabs. What's more, they like to pick and choose what to snack on, with one group of these monkeys being observed eating 188 different plant species in just one evening. They also have an unusual way of digesting their food. They will chew down food, regurgitate it, then re-chew and swallow it again. This is the same thing a cow does. It's thought that this helps them to break down the plant-based food that they eat. I know, ew. What makes a proboscis monkey special? Okay, so the nose. Scientists have speculated several reasons as to why they are so large. The most popular is that the nose acts like a resonating chamber, amplifying their calls far and wide so they can alert their whole family group to danger.
Danger!
Then we have their hands and feet, which are webbed like a duck. These webbed digits help them to thrive in coastal environments, stopping them from sinking into the muddy floor. They also make them very competent swimmers, crossing rivers when they need to. The waters they swim in can be infested with predators like crocodiles, so speed is of the essence, and they have even been known to dive and swim underwater. They also have more developed social lives than other primates, with individuals often swapping communities and joining other friendship groups.
Hey, how you doing?
And their interactions tend to be pretty peaceful for primates, resolving conflict with sound rather than physical fighting. Proboscis monkeys. They're the peaceful, swimming, plant regurgitating, impressive-nosed monkeys of Asia. Awesome!